Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do my own gel tip press on nails, and stay tuned for the giveaway. I'm going to be using the Gel X Apres nail tips. These are made out of gel, they're not just plastic nail tips. And if you would like to see the nails that I have on, I do have a video for each nail design. I'll link it down below. And I was going to order the little stands for the nails, but I honestly wasn't going to get it in time. I still placed it, but I won't get that till later. So I use my kids' chest toy pieces as well as the mounting wall little tacky tape. And I'm also showing you here the colors I will be using, which are all these jelly like nail polish, except for the black one. I do use the black one on one of them, but it just didn't go with everything else, so I took out the black and just added more colors. So the first thing I do here is I go on and buff the nail tips, and I gently do this. I just want to remove the shine. If you over buff the nail, it'll be too slick and smooth, so then the product you put on top can peel off or chip off very easily. So just make sure you don't over buff. Then I cleanse them with alcohol, put them back in the little stands so that I am ready to start polishing. I don't use base just because this is a gel tip. Gel adheres to gel, so I go straight in with the color. The jelly polishes that I'm using, I'll link down a link for you guys so that you can choose whatever colors you want once you go in. They are from AliExpress. So here I'm using the green one, and I do end up doing 3 layers of the jelly because I want it to be very pop of color. So when you apply these on your nails, you do see the jelly, but you still see through. So I did want the color to show. So like I said, I do 3 layers of color, cure each layer, and then I top coat. And I won't show you the whole clip of me doing it. I did get off camera a lot, so I don't show too much, but at the same time it is the same exact steps. So like I said, 3 layers of color, then I go in and top coat. I made these glossy. You can definitely mattify them, but I think they just look so beautiful glossy, especially when the light hits them. And the top coat I use here is the Assure top coat, but you can use any top coat. Towards the end of my video, I do use Y.E.D because I started running low off of this one. And then after this, I will show you the outcome of the nails. And you will see the nails came out really nice, very pigmented. Right now they look a lot more deep in color because of the background. It is a white marble in the bag, but once these are lifted, and actually you'll see them towards the end in a little baggie, they're a lot more transparent. So now we're moving on to the next set, and I decided to use Daisy D&D. This is the color Pastel Orange, one of my favorite neon orange colors for the summer. Then I'm using Jet Black from the gel bottle. My favorite from the gel bottle is Jet Black and the white for sure. Models 1 is the next color I'm going to be using, and then I will link it down below if they do still have it in stock for sure. And I do 2 coats of the orange, and then I go in to mattify the orange. Here you'll see that I do just a few orange and the cheetah prints that I want to put to go along with it. I was going to encapsulate some of these, but since these are going to be for a giveaway, it's a lot easier and a little bit more flexible to not encapsulate any hard gel in there, just so that you have more options for them to fit you. So I wanted to make it a lot easier for everyone. So then I go in with the nude beige type of polish. If I can find the link, I will link it down below. And then I use my Jet Black and my Models 1 polish to kind of go with the base that I was going for, the beige, I can't even say the word, beige base, but with a little bit more of an orange tone to it, just to make those cheetah prints. And I do make the cheetah prints a lot bigger because I wanted it to be a lot more bold and pop of color. When I was creating these nails, I just thought of, you haven't had your nails done, so you need something that's bam in your face. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just using a dotting tool, and I'm making kind of like circles, but using the dotting tool to pull at the corners, so it's not a straight circle, so it's kind of like moving around, almost like paw-like, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to go in with a very thin brush that I also purchased from AliExpress, and I'm going to use that with the color jet black, and I'm just gonna do, think of it like parentheses almost like, or trying to follow the outline of the cheetah print you just did. Okay, you guys, a little bit about the giveaway. So what I did is I have 10 sizes of these nail tips, of the gel nail tips. So I decided to do 2 of each nail tip to guarantee that they will fit you or whoever wins the giveaway. I wanted to make sure that you will at least get 1 full set to wear. And maybe possibly by resizing or giving them away to someone, you can get another set. So in total, you get 20 nails, 2 of each size. So you can possibly fit 2 sets out of them, or at least for sure guaranteed 1 set. So there will be, like I said, 3 winners, 1 for each nail set that I do here. So the way to enter this giveaway is you have to make sure you are subscribed to my channel. You have to follow me on my Instagram page, which will be linked down below. And then you have to comment on my video down below. You can comment anything from what you would like to see next on my channel, anything that you have been looking forward for me to do or to see. If lately it's been a hard time for you, what have you been doing to cope with it? Maybe that will help somebody else that has been needing help with that. And number 3, I mean, it can honestly be anything. For me personally, schoolwork for my kids has been a handful. So what I have been using to cope with is my YouTube channel. It's been working out. So any nice comment or anything nice that has helped you with my videos, any comment, honestly, it can be a smiley face and you are automatically entered. It's just taking the time to comment, taking the time to let me know that you have watched this and that you are here and that you're entering this giveaway. I will randomly pick them through a random customized app online that you can choose winners through your comments. That is why I'm saying comment down below so you can be entered to win. After this, like I said, I mattify the cheetah prints as well as the orange, and they are completely matte nails. They're super pretty. They look a little bit more pastel here, but I guarantee they're a lot more neon. So if you like that kind of pop of color, this set is really, really pretty. Now, another thing to keep in mind is to make sure that if you do enter this giveaway that you have the supplies, as well as it can be any set of these that you win. You don't get to choose. These are the polishers that I'm using. I'll link them down below as well. This is one of my favorite of all time pinks, as well as the previous orange that I showed you. That's my favorite orange one. It is such a neon, beautiful, bright pink. This glitter is a very chunky glitter. So as you see me here, I keep swiping and swiping because it is a very thick glitter and I don't want it to be sticking out or being too bulky. So I even it out. For this nail, you won't see that I do the chrome pigment on top, but I do 2 layers of the white polish, as well as I rub some, it's like an off pink chrome powder on top. For the glitter one, I do top coat it shiny, as well as the chrome nail. I do top coat shiny, but the pink I do matte. And I do matte because I do some white flowers that you will see me do here. And it comes off really nice. This is the chrome powder I'm telling you guys about. It is very, very pretty. The polish that I use to stamp, I get from Walmart. They're just, I think they're the color, I forgot the name of it, but if I can find it, I'll link it down below. That polish is awesome for stamping. You gotta work fast, but it is awesome for stamping. So I have like all the colors they had there because they're only a few dollars. And this is the outcome of these nails. If you really zoom in, you get to see the really pretty flowers. So like I said, if you enter this giveaway, it can be any of the 3 options. You don't get a choice. So if you're open to winning any of these and you have the products, this is how I'm going to be sending them out, because everything was sold out, you guys. The box watches that you can give as gifts were all sold out, so I wasn't able to put them in that. So I'm going to send them out in these, and they will go into bubble wrapped envelopes to make sure they get to you very safe. Also, just make sure you have the products to apply these on. These are not your regular plastic press-ons that you buy from Walmart or Walgreens. These work great applied by a gel base or a builder gel. An electrifier will work great to file the back on before dehydrating the nails and applying them on. I do have my blue nails on my right hand with basically press-on nails. So watch that video if you do not know how to apply them. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.